My name is George Ayittey, and I am currently the president of the Free Africa Foundation. Many scholars believe that the origin of the Africa's economic crisis began with capitalism. But capitalism should be understood as an economic system which allows individuals to interact directly with each other without government permits or restrictions. And one must unfortunately wonder, where in Africa does such a system truly exist today? To understand where many of Africa's problems come from, we have to go back to something entirely different: colonialism. In the 1960s, Africa fought for its independence from white colonial rule with a new generation of African nationalist leaders. Men like Kwame Nkrumah of Ghana, Kenneth Kaunda of Zambia, Julius Nyerere of Tanzania, Robert Mugabe of Zimbabwe. These leaders gallantly waged a successful struggle against the white European colonialists and won independence for their respective countries. Many of these leaders were hailed as heroes and elected to positions of political power with sweeping parliamentary majorities. In rejecting colonialism, these newly formed independent African governments were casting aside everything they thought were associated with colonialism. International trade, market economy, and even democracy were dismissed by many of these leaders as imperialist dogma. Africa's heroic leaders created one-party state systems where dictators emerged to declare themselves presidents for life. Criticizing them became sacrilegious. Colonialism brought with itself slavery and oppression. It led to the pillage and destruction of Africa. And we should never return to a system where foreigners occupy our land and rule over us. But it is important to understand that colonialism and capitalism are two very different ideas. The essence of capitalism is to empower the individual to make what they want of their own lives, not to be controlled by dictators or governments, regardless of whether they are foreign or African. Replacing colonialism with totalitarian socialism has only created a corrupt system that has further impoverished the African people. For Africa's people to be truly free, it is time we give free enterprise, not colonialism or socialism, a chance.